Hello po at Happy Friday! Ngayon ay June 24, 2022, araw ng Maynila at araw ng San Juan. Dalawang okasyon po ito, no? Pero ang wala lang pasok, Maynila at San Juan. At wala po tayo dun sa mga lugar na yon. Ito po ang The Stock Market Today. Welcome po. Kung first time nyo po sa channel na ito, ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007. I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. Kung gusto nyo po ng content, niimbitan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto nyo ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Anything I say in this channel ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Mari. We're praying for your recovery. At sana ay magkasama tayo soon with your dad, si Tito Sam. Ang ating news ay tungkol sa BSP rate hike kasama ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSA ngayong araw, June 24, 2022. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Don't go away. Okay, so umpisahan po natin ang ating financial headlines galing po sa BDO Securities. BSP lifts key rate by 25 basis points to 2.5%. Ito po ang ating main news. Sabi po ng Department of Finance, economy needs to grow by 7% annually to manage debt. Government budget deficit narrows in May. Then in our company news, ERC says retail aggregation to lower power rates. FIRB okays 70-30 hybrid work for IT BPO. So ito po yung FIRB, the Fiscal Incentives Review Board. Yung IT BPO ay IT Business Process Outsourcing. Glow Eyes Global Reach for Multi-Channel Messaging. Pero ang ating main news ay galing po sa Philstar. Interest rates raised anew. As expected, BSP delivers back-to-back hikes. Manila, Philippines, the Bangko Sentral ng Filipinas yesterday delivered back-to-back rate hikes, raising key policy rates by 25 basis points to fend off rising inflationary pressures. Outgoing BSP Governor Benjamin Jokno said the central bank's monetary board decided to raise overnight reverse repurchase rate to 2.50% from 2.25%. Likewise, the overnight deposit rate was increased by 25 basis points to 2% and overnight lending rate to 3%. In deciding to raise the policy interest rates anew, the Monetary Board noted that upside risk continued to dominate the inflation outlook up to 2023, with pressure emanating from potential impact of higher global non-oil prices, the continued shortage in domestic fish supply, as well as pending petition for transport fare hikes due to elevated oil prices, Jokno said. Okay, may I just explain this a bit, ano? Ito pong sinasabi dito na yung overnight reverse repurchase rate, no? In-increase po ito to 2.5% from 2.25%. And yung overnight deposit rate was increased from 25 basis points to 2% and lending rate to 3%. Ang overnight reverse repurchase rate ay ganito po yung definition niya, ano? From Investopedia, ang sabi niya, a reverse repurchase agreement or reverse repo is the purchase of securities with the agreement to sell them at a higher price at a specific future date. For the party selling the security, it is a repurchase agreement or repo. So, ganito po ang ibig sabihin nun. Yung overnight reverse repurchase rate, ito po yung buying of a security and selling it the following day. Pero yung security, hindi po one day yung maturity niyan. More than one day po yan. So, an example po niyan is yung mga bangko, di ba, meron silang mga inventaryo of T-bills, government securities, na iba-iba po yung tenor. Say, halimbawa yung T-bills po na 364 days na T-bill. Yun lamang po ang inventaryo ng bangko. For example lang po. Ngayon, yung kliyente ng pagbebentahan mo, ayaw niya ng 364 days. Gusto niya mas shorter. Say, halimbawa, 91 day lang ang gusto niya. So, ang gagawin ng bangko is that, o sige ha, meron ako ditong 365 or 364 day na T-bill, ibebenta ko sa iyo at a certain rate, pero bibilin ko siya after 91 days. So, ibig sabihin, shorten niya yung tenor. Mag-execute ako ng repurchase agreement na pagdating ng date na ito, ay bibilin ko yung security. Conversely, kung meron naman siyang gustong bilhin na security, say from an issuer na mas mahaba, say from the Philippine government, ang gagawin ng Philippine government is mag-i-issue siya ng reverse repurchase, or the bank will issue a reverse repurchase agreement na bibili ng bangko yung security pero ibebenta niya at a later date short of the maturity. Meaning, before maturity date, ibebenta na niya. Yun po yung reverse repurchase rate. So, ganun pong ginagawa ng bangko to manage the debt, no? Yung liability. At to manage also the interest rates. Okay? So, yan pong isang magandang example of managing monetary policy. Yung overnight rates naman ay, di ba, sabi na nga natin, 12% po yung required reserve ratio, no? So that the banks has to maintain that reserve ratio. Pero kung kulang sila sa reserve, they have to fill that gap. They have to fill the difference the following day. So kung kailangan nila ng additional reserves dahil nag-increase yung deposits nila, they will borrow from other banks, and ito po yung sinasabing overnight deposit rate. But if they have excess reserves, they can lend to other banks needing to fill up their required reserves. So, ganun lang po kasimple. So, in-increase po yung overnight rate by 25 basis points. 2% sa borrowing and 3% on lending. Okay, so yan po ang ating news from PhilStar. And we have some comments here from our subscribers. Sabi po ni Theometer Camtech, good PM Tito Bench. Sana mag-bounce back na si AC. Okay, salamat po. Tingnan po natin si AC. So, okay, so let's now go to the index on what happened today. All right. So, magandang balita ito. The PSEI gained 152.33 points or 2.51% up to end at 6217.656, That's 2.51% increase, pero bearish pa rin po siya. Hindi na po oversold ang ating index. Nasa 36 na po siya. Pagdating naman po dito sa market activity, 112 companies advanced, 62 declined, while 46 remained unchanged. The all-share index is in the green, 1.61% up. All the sectoral indices are up except for mining, which is down. The gainers was led by properties at 3.81%, then followed by the holding companies at 3.34%. So, tignan po natin May pahabol po dito si Brenda Anquilio. Sabi niya, ALLHC sir. Sige po, sama po natin si ALLHC. In the meantime, let's review the following. Ayala Corporation, ALLHC, si Ali, then tignan natin si Converge, BDO, and Emperador. Okay, so 6 po ang titignan natin today. So umpisa na po natin kay Ayala Corporation. Si Ayala Corporation ay, wow, it ended up at 625. Meron po siyang bounce of almost 4%, 3.99 ang nandito, pero bearish pa rin po siya. So it somehow mimics the index. Oversold po siya kahapon at 28, but right now it's at 38, gaining 10 points dito po sa RSI, pero bearish pa rin po si Ayala Corporation. And let's see, kasi if we see another green candlestick, baka sakaling nag-reverse na po yung trend. But as of now, all our indicators are above our candlesticks, and therefore the trend is still downwards. Then si ALLHC naman, ito po yung logistical company ni Ayala Land, it's down, but it's holding support here, So tingnan natin si 1-week chart. Ang pinaka-support po niya, actually this is support area already. Nandito po yung support level niya, nasa 3 pesos 3.03, nasa 323, but it's very near the support area, and it's oversold, RSI is at 29. So bearish po ang lagay niya based on a 1-week chart. Balik natin sa 1 day. So it's bearish, and it turned bearish noong nag-cross over yung mga indicators natin 3rd or 4th week of January. So oversold level na po si ALLHC based on a day chart since June 15. And tumataas, bumababa, tumataas, bumababa. Pero yung moving averages natin, especially so the 100-day moving average, is in general a downwards trend for the stock. Okay? So yan po yung pinaka-support level niya. Then if we will see, mukhang it's holding this level here, At sana po hindi na po bumagsak palalo. But we can never really tell until we see a green candlestick. Then si Ali naman po. Okay, napansin po ninyo, Ayala Corporation, ALLHC, then Ali. Ang kulang na lang dito si ASEN para maging All Ayala Company. Wow, merong bounce. So the bounce was led by properties, and Ayala Land is leading the way. 4.68% gain today, and although it's still bearish, bearish pa rin po siya. Tingnan natin ang support level. Do a 1-week chart. Yes, this is support level already. At yung pinaka-support area niya, ito po, nasa 26. This is support level already, 26, and it's matching the pandemic level noong March 2020. Yun po yung area ng Ayala Land. And however, kung titingnan po natin ang fundamentals ni Ayala Land is priced at 42 with a 60+% upside, 63.7 based on yesterday's prices. So it's at 26. So mga 60% po ang upside niya. Yun po, for Ayala Land. Then next, Converge. Balik natin sa 1 day. Yan, it's still moving downwards. Converge is moving downwards, and there is no end in sight. Tignan niyo po yan, puro successive red candlesticks po. Maliliit lang, pero it continues to move down, and the trend is down. It has been oversold since June 13. And currently the stock remains oversold. 1 week chart ulit tayo. Okay. So, this is the support level. Nasa 17.36. Ang pinaka-support level po ni Converge. So, it's near or within support level na po. So, it continues to move downwards. And RSI is bearish also. Okay. Then next, BDO. BDO is the leader in banking. Meron bounce si BDO. In fact, yung 2 engulfing red candlesticks nasuklian today ng isang green candlestick. And so the RSI bounced back again. No? Hindi pa po oversold level ito. Pero the trend is still downwards. From sideways here, ay nag-downwards na po siya. So let's take a look at the, I think we can draw it from here. Yung ating support level. Again, this is support already. Nasa 117 po ang pinaka-support level. 116 to 118 po ang pinaka-support niya. Then finally, we have Emperador. Nakita nyo yan, pataas pa rin si Emperador. It continues to move up. There was a breakout here. I think ito yung pagkasama niya sa Singapore Index. I believe, Singapore Index po ito, which made it soar. And if you consider this as a consolidation of this large breakout here, parang yan yung nakikita ko. This is an entirely big consolidation here. And from then on, in general, sideways na rin po ang kanyang pinaka-movement kasi parang roller coaster po ito. Na mabagal ang taas at mabagal ang baba. Ngayon po pataas po siya. So, ang pinaka-support, actually, siguro the proper drawing that we can do here is a Darvas box. Yan, no? Di ba? So, ang pinaka-upper border po niya is our resistance at 20. And our support is at 17. So, Emperador continues to move up. Actually, it's resistance level already. And the stock is overbought at 72. So, expect some downward movements. Although there are large volumes here which would indicate that in the future ay pataas pa rin po to a certain level yung ating stock. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market, ika-24 ng Hunyo, the last Friday of the month. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Happy weekend, stay safe, God bless, bye for now.